Hello everyone, this week's trade is Brent crude oil. Brent has already delivered the explosive part of the move. What matters now is what comes next. Yes, the geopolitical backdrop is still doing the heavy lifting, and yes, volatility remains extreme. But when you look at the chart now, the story is slightly different. We're in a compression phase. After that aggressive rally from March breakout zone near 75, Brent pushed sharply higher. But since then, price action has started tightening into what looks like a symmetrical triangle, or at the very least, a volatility squeeze defined by higher lows and lower highs. That matters because it tells you the market is still holding strength, but it's also waiting for fresh conviction. Now, on the downside, buyers have continued stepping in above $100 and $106 area, which keeps the short term structure constructive. On the upside, rallies are still struggling to fully clear 110, while the bigger resistance zone sits closer to 117. So right now, Brent is effectively trapped between support that keeps rising and resistance that keeps pressing lower, and that usually does not last forever. A break above 110 would strengthen the bullish continuation case and brings 117 back into focus. If that upper resistance gives way, the market could quickly reprice higher again. But if price starts losing the rising structure and slips back below 106, then the squeeze starts weakening. A deeper move under 100 would suggest the market may need a broader reset after such a violent run. One thing also worth watching in the background is that a lot of the market's hornless risk assessment still leans heavily on vessel tracking data. Some recent claims have challenged how complete the picture really is, raising the possibility that actual physical flows may be less visible than many models assume. That's not something the market can fully verify yet, but it does reinforce one key point. For now, the uptrend is intact, but the range is narrowing, and Brent looks like it is still waiting for the next trigger.